Agape love through John chapter 17 verses 24 through 26. Father, I desire that they also whom you have given me may be with me where I am, to see my glory that you have given me, because you loved me before the foundation of the world. O righteous Father, even though the world does not know you, I know you, and these know that you have sent me. I made known to them your name, and I will continue to make it known, that the love with which you have loved me may be in them, and I in them. In the profound words of John chapter 17, verse 24 through 26, we witness the epitome of agape love. A love so deep, so selfless, and so eternal that it transcends our human understanding. Jesus, in his final prayer before the crucifixion, reveals the heart of the Father and his own desire for us. Imagine the magnitude of Christ's love, desiring that we, his followers, may be with him and behold his glory. This is not a fleeting wish, but a fervent longing rooted in the timeless love between Father and Son. It's a love that existed before the foundation of the world, reminding us of our place in God's grand design. As we reflect on these verses, we're called to embrace our role as bearers of divine knowledge. Jesus has made known to us the Father's name and promises to continue revealing it. This ongoing revelation is not just for our benefit, but serves a greater purpose, that the love of the Father for the Son may dwell within us. In a world plagued by division and strife, a young woman named Grace discovers an ancient manuscript containing Jesus' prayer in John chapter 17, verse 24 through 26. Inspired by its message of divine love, she embarks on a journey to spread his powerful truth. Grace begins by volunteering at a local shelter, where she encounters people from all walks of life. As she serves meals and offers comfort, she shares the words from the manuscript, touching hearts with the concept of God's unconditional love. Her acts of kindness ripple outward, inspiring others to join her cause. Together they form a community dedicated to embodying agape love in their daily lives. They face challenges and skepticism, but Grace's unwavering faith and compassion continue to draw people in. As their movement grows, Grace and her followers tackle larger societal issues, advocating for the marginalized and bridging gaps between diverse groups. Their efforts catch the attention of local media, spreading their message of love and unity even further. The climax arises when Grace is invited to speak at a global conference. Standing before the world leaders and millions of viewers, she shares the profound wisdom found in Jesus' prayer, emphasizing the transformative power of divine love. In the aftermath, Grace witnesses a shift in consciousness as people from different cultures and beliefs come together, inspired by the idea that they are loved by a higher power. She realizes that her small act of faith has blossomed into a worldwide movement of compassion and understanding. Let these words inspire you to live in the fullness of God's love as you allow the indwelling presence of Christ to transform your heart, enabling you to love others with the same agape love that has been lavished upon you. In doing so, you become a living testament to the profound truth of John 17, verses 24 through 26, embodying the very love that binds the Trinity and extends to all of creation. This amazing story was taken from my book called Learning to Love, Living Onwardly, Victoriously, Eternally. Love. The art of biblical love. And it is an art, and it is a truth that will set people free. May God richly bless you. And I pray this has empowered you. If you have any questions, reach out to me. If you have any suggestions or comments, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. I want nothing from you. I'm not looking for your tithes and offerings. God has provided a way for my ministry to reach out to people just like you, just like me, to bring each of us closer and closer and closer to Abba, Father, my daddy, and yours.